Get out.
Should I keep bang you right now? Because I have one life left.
No.
I know.
Hit!
He's gonna bang you out. I wasn't banging. I was behind him.
What? Hey, if he shot me in green base, do I get out? If he shot me in green base, do I get out?
You think that got you? You see my brain actually?
You were the one that shot me, right? That was one of my better runs.